Tired of AI builders that promise full stack and only deliver prototypes you're scared to ship? You're not alone. Today, our goal is simple. Start with an idea and end with a real app, database, authentication, and business logic included. Meet TrySolid, the AI platform that generates real, secure, extensible code instead of prototype apps. Without further ado, let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for TrySolid, then click the very first link. This link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of TrySolid. Their core idea is simple. If you can dream it, you can build it. With TrySolid, you can build real web apps with AI, not just demo prototypes or toy projects. If you're not building with a solid foundation, you're building on sand. TrySolid positions itself as that solid foundation. Thousands of builders are already using it to build real software with no coding necessary. With this AI tool, you can create full-stack apps. Other AI tools like Lovable and Base44 often end up creating throwaway prototypes. But many people prefer TrySolid because it focuses on production-grade applications. With TrySolid, you can build your web app just like a real developer would. Other tools may market themselves as full-stack app builders, but any technical person can see that many of them only generate temporary or fragile prototypes. TrySolid emphasizes that if it can be built in code, it can be built in TrySolid. You can integrate with any tools you need because under the hood it is generating real code designed with security in mind. Unlike some alternatives such as Lovable or Base44, TrySolid aims to support ambitious, production-ready web apps instead of short-lived experiments. You can even import your Lovable or Base44 projects and turn them into TrySolid projects, upgrading from a toy stack to a professional stack. That means going from limited options to almost unlimited possibilities, and from shallow projects to deeper, extensible applications. Because TrySolid generates high-quality code, you can actually migrate and extend your app over time. TrySolid has two main versions, the web version and the TrySolid IDE Extension. Everyone can use the web version. Anyone can build and publish an app almost as easily as making a TikTok. The IDE extension lets you bring TrySolid into your favorite editor, such as VS Code, Cursor, and more. You can use both tools simultaneously. If you have any questions, you can check the frequently asked questions section, where you'll find everything related to TrySolid and why it aims to be a real full-stack app builder. Now go to the top of the page. From here, you can log into TrySolid or sign up for a new account. For this demonstration, we'll log in. This is the TrySolid dashboard. Here we can see our previous projects that we've created using this AI tool. We can create full-stack apps easily, and we can also start a new one. At the top of the canvas, we can see an option to import files from Lovable as well. Click on Create. First, we need to enter a name for our project. I'll type My Project, and then click Create Project. Once our project is ready, we see a welcome message. TrySolid suggests start by describing what you'd like to build or modify. You can also import Lovable files from here if you want to upgrade an existing prototype. In the description bar, we can describe what we want to build or change. We can also upload images if they help clarify our idea. At the top of the canvas, we can see the database button, which lets us open and inspect the database. We can also see a Publish button and an Options menu. If we click Options, we'll see choices like Logs, Export, Create a new project, Delete, and more. Now we'll create our first full-stack app. In the description bar, I'll type, create a website like eBay for my online shopping store, and press Enter. TrySolid will now generate a full-stack app for us. It first thinks about our website concept, then it designs an e-commerce layout, and finally it starts analyzing and generating the full stack for us. It takes a few seconds, so be patient. Once the website is ready, we see a congratulations message. Our first version is ready. If something doesn't work as expected, we can simply describe the problem in natural language, and TrySolid will attempt to fix it. Once everything is done, click Continue to preview. Now, our e-commerce website, similar to eBay, is ready. We can see that everything is structured properly, categories, layouts, and core functionality. This is the strength of this AI tool. While other tools like Lovable and Base44 might not create such a complete functional app, TrySolid focuses on building a real, working full-stack application. If we want to see the website in full screen, click Open in a new tab. Here we can see the full stack website we just created with TrySolid. This shows the real power of TrySolid. We can create a real full stack app in seconds. We can see different categories like automation, books, collections, electronics, and more. We can register and sign in just like on a real production app because this is a true full stack application. First, let's register an account. Click on Register. We need to create an account by entering a full name. I'll enter my name, then an email address, and then a password. For testing, I'll intentionally enter a different value in the Confirm Password field. We see an error message saying the passwords do not match. This shows that the validation logic is working and that our site is fully functional. Now I'll enter the correct password in both fields and click Create Account. We see that we've registered successfully and our name appears at the top. Now we can also add a product. Click on Sell. First, we need to list an item. We upload a product image by clicking Choose File, selecting an image from our system, and clicking Open. Once the image is ready, click Upload Image. After the image is uploaded, we need to input a title. For example, I'll enter EV Bike 2026. Then we add a description, such as New EV Bike 2026. Next, we enter a price, let's say 76, and choose a condition, such as New, Good, Fair, or Poor. We select the condition that best fits the product. Then we enter the location and select a category. Finally, click List Item. It takes a few seconds, and once the product is listed successfully, we can see all the details about our product. We may also see similar products below, which is typical in real e-commerce sites. Click on Browse, and we can see that our bike has been added successfully. We can add products to the cart, proceed to checkout, and experience the full flow just like a real e-commerce platform. Now click on Database. Here we can see our website's database. We can run SQL commands, import and export data, and create or edit tables. We can adjust database settings according to our needs. This is why TrySolid is truly full stack. It gives you real data structures and real code, not just a visual mock-up. If you build an app with TrySolid, you're creating a strong, fully functional, full-stack product. If you build only with some other tools, you might be creating something more like a temporary structure on sand. Next, we'll log out and test the login flow. On the login page, I'll enter the email we registered earlier, then intentionally type a wrong password. We see an error message indicating the password is incorrect. Now I'll type the correct password and click Sign In. We log in successfully, which confirms again that our website is fully functional and behaves like an app built by real developers. If we want to change anything in our website, we can simply describe the modification we want. For example, if I want to change the color scheme of the site, in the description bar I'll type, "Please change the color of the website," and press Enter. It takes a few seconds to update, and once the site is ready, we can see that the color scheme has changed successfully. This is the beauty of TrySolid. We can modify a full-stack web app just by describing what we want to change. With TrySolid, we can create and refine a full-stack app in seconds. Other AI tools are often focused on toys or prototypes, but in this demo, we've seen that TrySolid can create a professional, production-like full-stack app that looks and behaves like something a real development team would build. We can also continue to change anything in our website easily. From today, you can forget Lovable and Base 44 if your goal is real, production-grade software. Try this amazing AI tool, TrySolid, for yourself, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.